Jeez. Okay, let's try. I'm ready for a nap.
I was working on my house and I turned around, I heard this fluttering, and there was a hawk on the ground. The hawk was just sitting on the ground, and she had her right wing out like this. And then and it's just, just looking at it and checking it out, and it was obviously injured, so my father got the idea to call Suzie, and so we called her. That's it.
Okay, so you guys ready? Here she goes. Okay, honey, come on. Don't fall in the pool.
There, she's right up there.
You can do more than shake hands.
Yay! You guys are great. Thanks for letting us be part of it.
I'm glad it turned into this whole thing.
Yeah.